Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can block text messages on Android. So if you find an unknown number text you on your Android phone, you can easily block that number so that they cannot calling or texting you. So what you need to do is just open the text and then click on the two dots icon at the top of your text, and in here there will be an options to add it to block list. Click on that. So after you add this number to block list, you will not receive calls or messages from this number again. And after that, you can just click on add to block list if you are sure you want to block this number, like that, and the messages will be disappeared. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks button below. Bye.